Welcome to my YouTube channel. Our bodies are amazing, and they have their own system for communicating with us. They give us signs to tell us when something wrong is happening inside. But in our busy lives, it is very easy to ignore these small signs. We think fatigue is just burnout, or that some pain is just part of getting older. We ignore these small signs until they become a big problem that we cannot ignore. In today's video, I will discuss 5 important signs. These signs show there may be problems or issues happening inside of our body. I hope you will get to know something new from this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. First, I would like to talk about persistent fatigue that rest can't fix. This is not just feeling tired after a long week. This is when you wake up after 8 hours of sleep and still feel tired. It's needing coffee just to function through the day. If you have this kind of constant fatigue, this can be an indication that your body is working overtime. Unlike normal tiredness, this fatigue is a sign of a deeper issue. It can be a common symptom for many conditions. For example, anemia, thyroid disorders, heart disease, diabetes, or even autoimmune diseases. This happens because things like inflammation or problems with blood sugar make your body's systems work too hard. It is a clear signal that you need to find the root cause. Second is unexplained weight changes. This can be either sudden weight loss or sudden weight gain, even when your diet or your exercise has not changed. This kind of weight loss can be one of the first symptoms of several serious conditions. For example, it can be a sign of an overactive thyroid, which makes your metabolism too fast. It can be from digestive issues like celiac disease, which stop you from absorbing nutrients from your food. On the other hand, unexplained weight gain can also be a concern. This can point to an underactive thyroid, also known as hypothyroidism, or other issues with your metabolism or your heart. Your body is a complex system, and a sudden change in weight is a clear sign that the system is not functioning correctly. The third sign our body gives is feeling out of breath during activities that were easy before. I am not talking about feeling breathless after running a very long distance. I am talking about getting tired just walking upstairs or carrying your groceries. This shortness of breath, what we call dyspnea in medical science, can indicate that your heart and lungs are having trouble. They are having trouble getting enough oxygen to your body. This can be a symptom of lung conditions like asthma or COPD. And this will make it hard to breathe. If this shortness of breath happens very suddenly and is very severe, or if it comes with chest pain or you feel you might faint, you need to get help immediately. This can be a sign of a heart attack or a pulmonary embolism, which is a blood clot in the lungs. Please do not wait. This brings us to our fourth sign, one that you should never, ever ignore: chest pain or discomfort. It is not always the dramatic pain you see in the movies. Heart-related chest pain can feel like a pressure, a squeezing, or a heavy feeling. For women, the symptoms can be more subtle and can be mistaken for heartburn, and may also include nausea and fatigue. There can be many causes for chest pain that are not related to the heart, but you should never try to diagnose this yourself. Conditions like angina, which is pain from low blood flow to the heart, are a direct warning. Every second is important when we talk about the heart. And another one is wounds or sores that won't heal. The fifth and final sign is something we see on the outside of our body, but it tells a story about what is happening on the inside. If you have a cut or a sore that does not get much better in a few weeks, your body is sending you a message. One of the most common root causes for this is undiagnosed diabetes. High blood sugar damages the nerves and the circulation, which means the body cannot get enough blood and nutrients to the wound to fix the tissue. If you see a spot on your skin that will not go away, it needs to be checked by a professional. It is a visible clue to an invisible problem inside your body. So, getting a diagnosis is the first and most important step to getting your life back. The 5 signs we have discussed, the persistent fatigue, the unexplained weight changes, shortness of breath, chest discomfort, and wounds that do not heal, these are not small issues. They are urgent messages from your body. Please, let this be a reminder to listen to yourself. Find the root cause so you can fix the issues that are happening inside your body. Disclaimer: I am not a medical professional. This video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. If you have ever had a sign from your body that you almost ignored, you can share your story in the comments below. Your experience might help someone else. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next video with a big smile. Up to that time, smile more. Stay happy, stay healthy.